In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify website in just about 5 minutes. Getting started with Shopify and making your store look exactly the way you want is exciting, yet a bit daunting if you're new to the platform. But fear not. Today, I'll walk you through the process of transforming your Shopify store into a visually appealing and brand-reflecting masterpiece. First things first, head over to Shopify's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent login button. Click on it to proceed. You'll be asked to enter your email address, so go ahead and input the email associated with your Shopify account. After that, you'll need to type in your password. Make sure it's the correct one and then hit log in. This will take you directly to your Shopify dashboard, a hub where magic begins. From here, locate the My Store option to get to the home dashboard of your specific store. Next, you'll focus on the look of your store. To do this, find the online store option on the sidebar menu. This area is your gateway to themes, blog posts, menus, and most importantly, customization settings. Click on Online Store to unfold its menu, and from there, select Customize. You're now in the theme customization area. Shopify provides a user-friendly editor where you can see the changes in real time. Begin by selecting Edit Homepage. This brings you to a canvas where you get to be the artist of your storefront. While editing the homepage, you might want to tweak the announcement bar at the top. This is a great place to share important messages with your visitors, like shipping delays or special offers. You can edit the text, background, and even the visibility of this bar. Further, dive into detailed editing by clicking on the highlight options. These options allow you to modify specific sections or elements within your home page. Whether it's a featured product slider, a newsletter sign-up form, or an About to Us section, Shopify's editor lets you fine-tune the appearance to suit your taste. Your store's identity goes beyond the layout. Click on Theme Settings to access global design choices. Here is where you can upload your logo. A well-designed logo not only catches the eye, but also cements your brand in customers' minds. Simply click on Logo, then select Image to upload your logo from your computer. After adding it, you have the option to adjust its size and positioning, ensuring it sits perfectly on your site. Another crucial part of your website's identity is the color scheme. Colors can significantly affect how your brand is perceived, so choose wisely. Within theme settings, click on colors. You'll see various elements of your website listed, each with its own color setting. By clicking on highlight, Shopify will guide you through each part where the color can be customized, allowing a thematic consistency throughout your store. Don't overlook the layout settings. Still under theme settings, the layout option lets you adjust the overall framework of your website. Whether you prefer a wide layout or something more contained, this is where you can set the width and spacing of your entire storefront. Remember, customization isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality and how users interact with your website. Explore all your theme's features and don't be afraid to experiment. Shopify's editor is quite forgiving, allowing you to preview changes before they go live. Lastly, consistency is key. Make sure your website reflects your brand consistently in every aspect, from typography and images to product descriptions and policy pages. A cohesive online presence can significantly boost your brand's credibility and customer trust. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to customizing your Shopify website. Simple steps that lead to significant impacts. Remember, the beauty of Shopify is in its flexibility and the freedom it offers. So dive into customization, explore the possibilities, and mold your Shopify store to be a true extension of your brand. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your Shopify experience. Until next time, happy customizing.